In today's lesson, you're going to be working on order of operations, so I'm going to walk you through how to do these problems. So here are the order of operations. Step 1 is parentheses. Step 2 is going to be exponents. Step 3 is going to be multiplication or division, and you're going to do that from left to right order, so I'll explain that when we get into the problem. And then step 4 is going to be addition or subtraction from left to right order again. So in this first problem, you can see here, we have 36 divided by 3 squared times 3. And I recommend having this handy somewhere on the side and use it sort of like a checklist. So first thing I'm going to look for is parentheses. I can look here, there are no parentheses in this problem. Therefore, I'm going to put a little check mark saying that step is complete. Step 2 is looking for exponents. And this is what your exponent looks like. You can see it's a smaller number, a little bit higher than the other number. And when you see an exponent, all this means is saying that the exponent tells you there are 2 of these 3's multiplied together. In other words, this really means 3 times 3. So 2 3's multiplied together, the exponent tells me there are 2 of them. And I can see 3 times 3 is equal to 9. So that'd be my first thing I'm going to do. So 36 divided by 3 squared times 3. The first thing I'm doing is just simplifying this part. So I'm going to copy everything else exactly the same. This becomes 9 times 3. So you go back to your checklist, that's steps complete. Now you're going to multiply and divide from left to right. In other words, that means whatever comes out first. Because a common mistake is that they see multiplication in the word Pemdas first. That does not imply you're going to do multiplication first. You're looking for both of these at the same time, and whatever appears first in left to right order, meaning you know how you read from left to right, whatever's first, look for both of them. Whatever's first, you're going to do that first. And you can see in this problem that we do have multiplication and division left. Since division appears first from left to right, this is the first one we're going to do. So 36 divided by 9, we get 4. And then we bring down what's left. And then 4 times 3, the last thing is to multiply, we get 12. And we're going to try one more example. So in this one, you can see here, we have a set of parentheses. So that's the first thing I'm going to work on. So I'm going to put down 5 times. And in the parentheses, I'm going to simplify that. We have 1 plus 3 in there, so I add that together and I get 4. So you can see here my parentheses are all set. And now I move on to the next step. I'm going to scan for exponents. Looking at this problem, you can see we have multiplication left and the exponent. Exponents are first, so I'm going to calculate this, 4 to the second power. And recall, 4 to the second power means the exponent tells you have 2 of these multiplied together. So 2 4's multiplied together, that equals 16. So I'm going to write that as 16. And then my last step, I can see there's only one thing left to do, which is to just multiply these two numbers, and you get a total of 80.